Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Among Us on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Steam and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Steam website. Once the Steam website opens, click on the search bar at the top and search for Among Us. When the game appears in the search results, click on it to open its store page. The game page will now open. Here, you can see information about the game, including screenshot, reviews, and other details. Scroll down to check the system requirements, and make sure your PC can run the game properly. After checking the requirements, scroll back up and click the Add to Cart button. Then, click View My Cart to review your order. Next, click Continue to Payment. If you're not already signed in, Steam will ask you to log into your account. After signing in, choose your preferred payment method and complete the purchase. Once the payment is successful, Among Us will be added to your Steam library. From there, you can download, install, and start playing the game on your PC. And that's how you download Among Us on PC. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.